Hi everyone, my name is Matthew. Do you like chocolate and brownies? Do you think it's a good idea to mix them into one dessert? Today, I'm going to show you how to make fudgy chocolate brownies. Without further ado, let's begin. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prep an 8x8-inch baking pan with parchment paper. The full recipe can be downloaded from the description box below. The first step is to combine the eggs, the melted butter, the vanilla extract, and coffee. This recipe requires a tablespoon of coffee. The reason why is to spice up the flavor. However, you can skip it if you don't like it. The next step is to add white and brown sugars to the mixture. Mix everything well together. Now, for the dry ingredients, you will sift the cocoa powder, the salt, and the flour into the same bowl and mix until all combined. The example of cocoa powder is shown in the video. You can also buy it from Amazon, which I already provided a link in the description box below. Next step is adding the chocolate chips, which you shouldn't forget. We are almost done here. The last step is to transfer the batter to the pan and smoothen it to the edges. You can also add the chocolate chips on the top. For your safety, please be careful when working with the oven. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes or until the center is set. After 30 minutes of baking, and after you let it cool down a little bit, these are the results. It's fudgy on the inside and hard on the outside. I'll show you. Very good. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.